Today we're going to go over trying to fix your stream lag. We're going to go over two different types of lag and try and help you guys address both of these types of lags. So the first lag we're going to talk about is CPU lag, and it looks something like this. So the other lag I want to talk about is we're going to call bitrate lag, and it looks something like this. So if your stream looks like either of those videos, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video. So the first one we're going to talk about is bitrate. If your bitrate is not high enough, it's not fast enough to fill the video with the proper image. That's the best way I'm going to describe that. If you want more details on how to figure out what your bitrate should be set to, please look at my last video. The link is down below. But please keep in mind that whatever your internet speed is shared amongst anyone in your house. So if anyone is trying to upload to YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or whatever it may be, it is going to be using your availability of upload as well. So please keep that in mind. One last thing that you can try if your bitrate is just not cooperating is you can go to advanced settings and you can go down to network and make sure this is checked. Dynamically change bitrate when dropping frames while streaming. This may help you, but it's unlikely. So let's get to the last type of lag, which is CPU lag. This is probably the most common. So this is the one that's kind of skipping around. This is caused when your CPU goes to its max possibly power point, and it'll start trying to cut power to your application, and you'll start skipping around randomly. There's a couple things that you can do to try and fix this. You can go to your video and you can change both of these to 720. You want them both to be the same if you're having these issues. So if you're trying to go from 1080 to 720, you're going to have issues. So you want to make sure these are both the same. And then if that still doesn't work, you can try lowering this to 30. I would use that as a last resort. But those are my only two recommendations for that. The other thing that you can do as far as on a Streamlabs standpoint is try to minimize your filters and browser sources, and animations are not your friend. If you do not have a graphics card for better encoding, do not use animations. Do not have an animated overlay. Do not have animated anything. Less labels, the better. Do not put text randomly. Just keep it clean, keep it simple, keep it bare, and it will minimize your CPU. I promise. Just keep it like that. Keep it at 720 if a computer is like mine, and you should be good to go. So if this helped you, please subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I do stream every day. My stream schedule is on both my banners for my Twitter and my YouTube. Link is down below for the Twitter. So go ahead and follow that as well. And I hope you guys have a great day, and see you later.